Hello guys, welcome to BlinkNBuild. In this video, let us see how to make it. The components required are breadboard. You need an ESP8266 or any other microcontroller. Next, you need a cable to connect it with system. Next, you need an buzzer. You can use passive buzzer, but if you don't have, you can use active also, and any resistor. Let's keep it aside. Now let us see. Now let us insert the ESP board into the breadboard. It should be like the digital pin should be connected to the breadboard, so we can connect it to the buzzer. Next, connect an resistor to the ground pin. You can see clearly here there is a G and it is ground pin, and take it down and connect it to any of the pin. Better to connect it to the ground line, that is minus blue color line. Now what you should do is take your buzzer, and I have soldered it with the jumper so it will be easy for inserting. Take negative pin and connect it to minus, and positive pin to the D1 pin of the ESP. You can see it clearly the pin, and you insert it. The hardware part is ready guys, only this much is the hardware thing. For time being, let's keep it aside by removing it and connect it to your PC using the cable. Now in software, open Arduino IDE and new. Next, you click on the icon and select your board and select the serial port to which it is connected. You can see in the right side there will be a USB, so you can see there. Next, you go to the GitHub link which is provided in the description and copy the entire code and paste it in the Arduino IDE. This is the entire code. To make this code, I have done a lot of research and all, and you can see in the initial part of the code the pin number is declared, it is D1, and also the built-in LED. Next, we have declared the scale, that is for buzzer we need higher scale, and the tempo has been declared in this line, and here the whole half, quarter, those things have been declared. Here all the three octaves with original frequencies has been declared. Here the switch statement has been written for easy coding. Here the play tone function has been declared. It will call the function every time a note is played, and here you can see that the note of a piano for this song has been written. You can modify this for any song, so it will be easy for you also for modification of the code. And this code has been published in GitHub, so you can copy it and modify and use it for your purpose. You can build new things from this. Now let us upload the code. Now you can see the code is uploading. During uploading, I will connect it to the ground and complete the circuit. So just after the upload, you can listen the music. And this is active buzzer, so it is noisy. If you use passive, it will be very awesome.